What's going on, Street Drip Squad? Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. I know I got some lady subscribers out there. That's pretty dope. Shout out to y'all who watch. So that's pretty cool. We just got to grow and get a lot more of that. But anyway, guys, it's a beautiful sunny evening, and I hope you guys are excited because today we're not going to a Cars and Coffee. We're doing something a little different, giving a little twist to it. This one actually takes me back to the event we used to go to in Boston called the Easy Pie Car Meet. Shout out to Import Evolution, all my Boston peoples if you guys are watching. But basically that meet was pretty dope. It would be on a Wednesday like it is, and also it would be at night. So that's pretty cool, something completely different, and it's at a pizza spot. People go eat and it'll be like crazy cars that would show up. And believe it or not, guys, that's actually what's happening tonight. It's actually called a PieFection car meet because it's at a pizza spot that we're meeting up over there. But right now I actually got to stop by quickly to this car wash. The car's looking nasty. And get it looking right for you guys. And don't worry, I'm going to give you guys your pull. We're just stuck here at a red light momentarily, but that will be coming. But yeah, guys, something different. I'm excited. We're going to meet up with some of the crew right now. That's going to be dope, and I can't wait to see what comes out there and the craziness that the nighttime's going to bring. It's been a while since I did a night one, and especially here in Florida. This is going to be the second one, so that's fun. It's been a year since I did a night one. If you haven't already, where's your merch? Come on, head over to shopstreetdrip.com. Get your merch, get your shirt, get your looking right for you and the whole family. So we got all sizes for everybody in the family, and we got the nice V-cut for the females as well, so your lady can look right, your kids can be looking right as well. Get you guys some drip, as you should. So head over shopstreetdrip.com and get your orders. All right, so we finally got somewhat open road. Yes, sir.
In half a mile, turn left on.
There we go.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Schofield Road.
Woohoo! Yes, sir. Oh man, guys, whew, I got a little scared. I thought the check engine light came on.
Oh damn!
Cause the little notification with the beep, man, my blood rushed. But luckily, it's nothing. My washer fluid is out. Oh wow, I was so shook. I thought for sure something happened, but man, luckily that was it. So what a scare. That was crazy. Especially the driving the way I'm driving, trying to make it there on time. I'm going legal, guys. Don't worry. I'm doing the speed limit. But anyway, we're good, guys. We're good.
Moments later.
All right, guys. So we made it out here. As you can see how packed the lot is. And as we get more further down on that side, we're going to have to put some music because that thing is bumping today. But let's start in the back here and show you guys what came out. There's a lot of toys out here, guys. All right, so we're over here. Check this out. We got the Camaro. Everything's out here, guys. Big SS going on. You got Banshee out here with the Beast. Sheesh. Just a little taste, guys. Check this out. Big boy Hellcat with the crazy beadlock wheels. Damn, that thing's serious. A lot of toys out here, guys. Beamer Gang out here with the M3. Clean wheels on this. You even got the V-Dub CC out here. M340 looking clean. Guys, check it out. I had to park way over here because the row is packed, but you know what it is. You got your boy out here with the quick elbow grease wash next to this fresh Type S. Ooh, this thing's dropped, looking nice. And you got the big boy truck over there with the nice wheels, man. A lot of people still coming in today, guys. I'm gonna try to stay towards this angle because the sun is gonna block out the video. So check out this murdered out M2 over here. Whole Beamer Gang. Damn, nuts. G82 out here. Sao Paulo yellow with the matching interior. Guys, check out this comp right here. Ooh, I love this color with the orange interior. You can't really see the interior, but man. And we got Drip Squad out here. Check out Kev with the Beast. Sheesh. Looking nuts, man. Guys, don't worry about the music. Like I said, I got to do the best I can. Y'all know how it is. Just like Easy Pie, I'm going to have to put some music in the background. But man, we got Dennis out here with his baby. Alex out here with the big beast. Drip Squad official in the building. Check out this AMG GT in the yellow. Audi gang over here with the RS6. Damn, this thing's nasty. White, look at those BC wheels. Real clean right here. Check out Alex with the clean look, as always. Man, a lot of toys out here today, guys. Look at this M3. Let me get it from this angle. I gotta do it away from the sun so you guys can see it. With the raised wheels. Woo! In the Nardo color. Looking crazy. Check it out, guys. You see the doors going up? Yes, sir. The McLaren GT. Look at this. Crazy M3 right here, looking clean as well. Guys, a lot of toys out here. Look at this V-dub. Got the Camaro out here looking nuts. Hellcat. And you got this crazy C8. Lottie with the R8 over here. We got the Huracan Evo out here. Damn, looking nuts. Drones out. Big beast right here, guys. Check out the 720 that got towed in. Damn, this thing is crazy. With the roof scoop, we got another 600 LT right here, guys. Orange with the orange interior matching. Woo! Let's go around and check out this McLaren GT over here, guys. But first, look at this interior. Real clean interior with the Alcantara. Check out this blue. Ooh, real nice right here, guys. With the blue interior and the blue steering wheel. Let's go. No games right there. Guys, lots and lots of toys out here, but we're gonna start down this row and work our way back up. You can see Audi gang starting it off. Bam! Yes, sir, with the convertible R8. Woo! Look at the exhaust in the back there. All carbon. This thing is nuts. It's not done yet, though. Check out the steering wheel, guys. Yes, got the chopped off steering wheel. Serious right here. Unicorn R8 killing it. Carbon hood. Oh yeah, no games, guys. Guys, check out this clean Porsche coming right here with the Gulf livery. And that thing is sexy. Real nice. Guys, we got more Audi gang out here. Check this out. Sitting lovely. Slammed, that's 6. Woo! Crazy with the red interior. We got a RS3 right here, guys. Look at the BBSs on it. Looking nuts. Looks like everybody came out, guys. There's more and more people coming. This is just the beginning. I wanted to get some good shots while it's light out and show you guys. But when it gets dark, that's when the real madness comes out. Look at this RS6. That blue is popping right there, man. Woo! Yes, sir. Another 720 right here in that Grigio gray with the orange accents on the interior. Damn, got the Huracan here in the yellow. 720S, no games. Guys, check out this crazy 720 right here. Super sick with the current. Sheesh. Take a look at the interior. Real clean on them, guys. Damn, this thing is nuts. All toys out here today, guys. We're gonna go on this other side. Look at the K-Truck. Even the K-Truck's looking nice. You got the Lambo crew pulling up. We're gonna get them in a second. Man, a lot of beasts out here, guys. It's gonna get very tough to talk, but check it out. The 458 next to the 488. And we got the Urus. And we got Westune in the beast. Woo! Look at this. Guys, check this out. Yes, sir. Coming crazy with the R8. Sheesh. Madness right there, man. Listen to that. Perfection right there. Big beast. We got more cars coming in too, but I had to stop and show love one time. Craziness, guys. Craziness. Guys, now that I lost my hearing with that SVJ Madness. Check out the M3 comp. Got the C8 over here going nuts. Sounding crazy. Check it out, guys. Audi gang with the R8 convertible. Big beast out here, man. I'm telling you. All the toys. You guys are missing out. Hopefully you guys can watch the whole video and see the content that you missed. I know everybody was getting out of work and trying to get out of here. But man, this thing is a movie. Sheesh. Underglows, C8s over here with crazy blue. You got Ferrari 488. You even got the Cybertruck coming. A lot of nastiness, man. So crazy. Look at this. Big boys came out to play today. Check it out, guys. You got the big beast over here. Boss Cybertruck. I don't know what space he's gonna fit in, but it's in here. And we got more cars lined up out here. Another blue C8. And you got a GTR behind it. And you got another G80 and an M340 behind that. Guys, check out this crazy GT3 out here. Parked up all by himself with the red roll bar. Craziness. You got the big boy SRT back there. Woo! You got a track hog right behind it. Everything is out here, guys. I'm telling you. Missing out big time. Guys, check out what pulled up here. The F8 Tributo. This one's a spider. Damn. This thing is nasty. With the red and white interior too. So sexy. Smile. the toys are out here, guys. Everything. F8, 720, all over, guys. Listen to this. Sheesh. Big movie, guys. Oh, yes. Check it out, guys. It doesn't stop. You got the Urus over here. McLaren 570 over here. It doesn't stop. You got more Ferraris. Hold up. Check this out. Sheesh. How many F8s? Can you count? Big beasts out here, guys. No games. Whole squad. Guys, check it out over here while we're a little bit away from the music. Another F8. Come on. When's the last time you seen this many F8s in one location? Big beast, man. Everything's out here, guys. Paradise. Guys, listen to this. Nasty. Nasty. That's just a beast. Guys, y'all check it out. I know you hear that. It's like a Miami club out in this. Sheesh. Craziness. Come on, man. Everything is out here. All the people's out here. All the baddies are out here. Come on, you got an SVJ, STO, 2 STOs. You got another SVJ down there and another STO with the shark. Man, it's a movie out here, guys. Come on. Underglows going crazy. Feel like I'm at space. If you know, you know. Guys, everything is out here. Look what just pulled up. The 911 with the green glow, Fast and Furious edition. Sheesh. Nasty. And we got Gav out here.
Hey,
yes, sir. You already know what it is.
Yeah.
Check it out, guys. The MSO. Woo. This thing is sick. Big beast out here, man. I'm telling you, everything is out here, guys. Look at this. Guys, check this out right here. 2 Uruses back to back, murdered out with the satin black. Looking mean. You can see the light glowing off of it. This is serious. With the front lip, too. No games. We got the pink F82 right here. With all the carbon on it. Hopefully that's coming out. It's getting darker. But we got pretty good lighting, so you should see it. Listen to this beat. This thing is sexy. Big boy right here. Woo. With the man. Guys, check it out what's coming over here. I'm telling you, it's still not over. SVJ madness. Sheesh. Listen to this. Yes, sir. Real clean right here. Got him. another one over there drawing a massive crowd. Check it out, guys. We got Gavin here. Yes, sir. You got this, Gav. Hit it. Yeah. Yes, sir. Gav hitting them flames on him. Guys, check this out here. Look what just pulled up. Damn. Big boys right here. Okay. Yes, sir. Damn. Madhouse right here, guys. Doesn't stop. Look at this. 620R. Jeez. Feel the heat on my legs. Crazy. Yeah. 6 foot flames. You got black. You got this. Yes, sir. 765 beast right here. Hell yeah! Look at that exhaust. Nuts.
Holy crap, bro.
Hey, well, there you have it, guys. I had to get in the car because it's too loud. I couldn't speak. I hope you guys enjoy the content. Man, it's a movie. My eyes are burning from all that gasoline. My ears, I can barely hear. But, man, it was a fun time. And I hope you guys appreciate the content. If you did, make sure you hit that subscribe. Smash that like. Street Drip. As always, we'll see you on the next one. We're out.